What's up, beauty bosses, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some sugar wax. I've been in here chilling and I'm like, dang, I should probably make some sugar wax. So I decided to film it for y'all, and I'm here with my good friend John Gasque. John Gasque Cosmetics.
What's up, guys?
And we are going to make the sugar wax for y'all. So I looked at the ingredients. Now I don't have no measuring cups and stuff like that, so we're just gonna eyeball it and see what we can come up with. Okay, all right. Don't eyeball it. Here's the ingredients right here.
Quarter cup of water.
All right, go ahead.
Quarter cup of water. As Janelle, stir it up, and then we're going to add a quarter cup of lemon juice. And you can squeeze the lemon into it, or you can just go and buy a little thing of lemon juice. Either way works. But keep it on a medium heat and keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Keep that consistency good. You have to break it down and just kind of mix it up.
So I'm continuing to stir it. As you can see, the bubbles are getting a little out of control. So what I'm going to do is remove it from the heat and continue to stir it until the bubbles start to dissipate a little bit. And then we're just going to let it cool after that point. Okay, it's been past 8 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and take it off the stove and start letting it cool. We're going to go ahead and put it on the other burner and continue to stir and see what we come up with. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that for you guys next. As you can see now, is at this beautiful consistency. We're going to let it cool down just a little bit more. It is definitely thickening up. We don't have the burner on at all, so it's just stirring is our job at this point.
That's good, Nelly. Oh my god.
You're making a mess. You're making a mess. Like, you scared for what? I was just trying to figure it out.
Okay, come on. I'm not gonna say nothing else. Come on.
Alright, so I got the wax.
She got the wax.
Alright, so here's the wax.
There go the wax.
We're gonna go ahead and do the soft wax trial and see if we make a good soft wax. I'm gonna get my muslin strips. Alright, so I got my muslin strips and John is on the table. We're gonna go ahead and get started.
Alright, so let me stop because I'm gonna record a snap. But I'm not gonna post it until you post your video.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean his with all that deodorant and stuff that he might have. I'm gonna clean. All of his hair is very curly and it goes in one direction. So that's the way that we are going to wax it. As you can see, it's going like this. He has a little bit going up like this, so maybe I'll split it off like that. This going this way and this going this way. Like that. And we're going to go ahead and dry it down with a little powder. He has on black, so I'm just going to be a little cautious. And we're going to go ahead and dry it down. Like so. Okay, because he has this going here and this going here. Okay. Alright, so I got the wax here. I'm going to go ahead and take some scoops on out. And I'm going to go ahead and stretch the arm like this, and I'm going to slide the wax down. I can really do it a little. I'm going to take the excess off so it's a little more thinner. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this side as well, since we already got wax on here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take that muslin strip I'm gonna lie it here halfway. Press. We're gonna pull down here and flip up and like that. And look at that. Wow, that's amazing. Yes. How did that feel, John?
That's okay. I didn't feel it.
Good. So we're gonna go ahead and place this on here. We're gonna have to put that on there. Get that in there. Wipe it down. All right. I'm gonna hold this here like this and come down one like that. And as you can see, he's making no face, and we got that extra little bit of wax. Oh my God, we made sugar wax! Just add a little more to clean it up. There's some little babies that is missing. Place another Muslim strip. We're gonna go all the way around the whole arm because we cleaned it up this time. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hold his skin down and go up with a little pressure. Oh, I forgot to show y'all that extra little sexy. Yes, sir. Hold it up. We're gonna go ahead and clean off the other wax. And damn, that's a clean ass underarm, people. Voila, we're gonna go ahead and wipe it off with some oil.
It didn't hurt. I didn't feel anything.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't feel anything at all. That was really good.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'm so nervous.
Damn, hold on. Hold on. And there you have it, all done with sugar wax. It's clean, it's nice and neat. And John is happy. We're gonna put our thumbs up. Yay, we did that. So yes, John is so happy with his wax. There's absolutely no hair. I want you to kind of get up in the camera and kind of stretch your skin to show that there's no hair left. Nothing. It's all gone veiny. Just a clean, smooth wax. That is perfect. Yes, yes. Everything is gone. Okay, guys, so we are finally finished with the wax. You guys seen how I took the hair off John's underarms. And fun fact, he has never waxed his underarms before.
Never.
This is the first time in all his years that he's gotten hair taken off of his body.
And I will say, with the sugar wax, I never had my underarm hair removed at all. It was not painful at all. The sugar wax only stick to the hair. It doesn't stick to the skin. So it's not painful at all. It's a really like smooth, easy process. I was very happy that Big Beauty had convinced me to get it because I never had the hair like under here taken off before. So I was very scared, but it was perfect. It was smooth. It did not, I did not feel any pain at all. So it was perfect. So I definitely recommend anyone that who's not having any hair removal done, get sugar wax. It's painless and you get a perfect result. So
yeah, I'm also gonna do some other videos on the sugar wax, and I'm gonna keep practicing until I get the perfect consistency of the wax for hard wax and soft wax, so I can give both formulas to you guys. I'm gonna do some waxing on myself just to play with it a little bit and see which one I like the best as far as with the sugar waxing. So so if you want to see a video like that, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No, it's okay.
why you always make me
Hold up.
There's no always making me after